Disclosure. Fight Camp gave me the Elite Full FightCamp Package and a Fight Camp membership for free. All opinions and reviews are entirely my own.
Wow. It's actually not that heavy. Like, it's just awkward box to carry through that door, but it's not really as heavy as it looks like. Super light. And I think this is the bag. Super light. See? All right. First of all, thank you very much, Fight Camp, for sending me all these beautiful gears. And I can't wait to unbox it, so let's do it. I'm gonna go get a shears. Okay. So the first one that came was actually these two boxes. And then the next day it came this box. So let's open the first two boxes. I just didn't want to show my address here. That's why I'm tilting this a little bit. There you go. Box is pretty intact. It's good. Thank God it wasn't raining when it was left in front of my house. Okay. We got all the setup gears here for the console. I believe this is it. Can't wait to set this up with you guys. Okay, these are what in this box. So I believe this is 12 ounce of gloves, boxing gloves. Fits me perfect, you guys. All right. Okay, I love that it's white. So cool. I don't think if I've ever worn a white gloves before. And I have this inserts. I think this is an easy way of wearing the boxing inserts. We'll do a thorough video on how to set this up. Right now, we're just gonna unbox everything, okay? And we got another, oh, this is wrap. Boxing gloves, I think this is a wrap. Oh, what? Another type of inserts. Look at that. Wow. I feel so special. Okay. These, what is this? Ooh, Fight Camp trackers. Ah, right there. I think this is gonna be like 4 pieces, but we'll check that later. And this one too, we're gonna open this console and trackers on a separate video. And I'll show you what's in here in a sec. So the app, and also Fight Camp, thank you for the membership as well. I appreciate it. They got me a 1-year membership. I cannot wait to use it. I really haven't done anything because I wanted to document everything. So this is the download the app kind of thing, I think. I just kind of scanned that. And this is the invoice. So I'm supposed to have the Fight Camp console and trackers. That's this one. Fight Camp pair of trackers. This one. So I might just have 2. I gotta check what's in that one. I wish I have some too for my feet. Fight Camp small quick wraps. This is probably the small quick wraps. Ankle wrap small. I think this is the ankle wrap. I did not even know that. Okay, and then I have 12 ounce boxing gloves right here. And the heart rate monitor. We'll set that up later. Setup instruction right here. All right, now we're gonna go open this big box right here. Oh yeah, baby. Ah, that's this one. Okay. I think I'm going to tilt it down like so. Okay, move the slippers. And I'm going to push and pull it. There you go. No? All right. Oh, the bag is, I guess, I'm just gonna have to do it this way. Tilt it all the way. Whoopsies. I don't want to hit my fan up here. Whoopsie. Whoa. All right, we did it. Okay. We did it. Let's remove this plastic. What is this? The Fight Camp sound sleeve. What? There's a sound sleeve? I was not expecting this. How do you put this on? All right, this is the unboxing. We're gonna set up later. I am like so excited. I don't know where to start. Okay, so the inside, you guys, just want to show you the inside here. Look at that, foam. Here, close your camera right here. Foam, some plastic inside and hollow inside right here. You know what, I want to put my cell phone in there. And the camera in here. See that? Inside, that's the inside of the Fight Camp bag. It's very nice and clean. It's made really well. Look at that. Love that. Okay. So now, I gotta get my phone here. Okay. So we got the bag. Whoa, look at that. And I really love that Fight Camp logo right there. Oh, this is, I guess if you want to punch it and you don't want to make sound and you can still box. This is getting even cooler than I thought, you know. I think this goes like so. Hold on. Oh, there's even a zipper. See, they make it really easy. Oh, I love that. And then you just put it like so. I'm just gonna show it to you. Oh boy, this is so sleek. Oh my goodness. Ah, I wob it, I wob it. Look at that. Ah. Okay. I should get my ponytail. Where's my ponytail? It's not here. All right, we're gonna open this last one. I wanna make sure when I open it, I don't like go through all the way in there so it doesn't break anything, but they actually pack it really well that you don't really have to worry, see? This shears is very dull. Okay. Right. Oh yeah, this is the base right here. And I also have this really nice mat that I think you put so your bag or your base doesn't move like too much. Here, I'll show you. Isn't that cool? This is the bottom of it. So I would just kind of like Lay it flat like there. And this base, pretty cool, huh? I think this fits about 350 pounds of sand, if you want to put sand. And then you can also do sand and water. So you would put 350 pounds of sand and then add 50 pounds of water, I believe. That's 400 pounds. So that's probably the heaviest it can get. But my husband and I talk about it, and we decided we're going to do water. So if you put water in here, I think it's about, I don't know, 30-something gallon. I don't remember. Water is convenient and will be easier to fill, empty, and move around when needed. The bag will be lighter at 250 pounds, which means it may move during a workout. Base gel, this can be purchased online. You can do base gel as well. I think I'm going to do water. So I'm not sure how many gallons. I know I read about it, but I forgot. We'll confirm when we do the water. Around 30 gallons. I was right in the first place. I said around 30 gallons. So there you go. 29.96 to be exact, if you are a little exact person-ish. OCD, like me sometimes. Okay, I like this little cap here. It seems like it's going to be much easier if I put water to start. My husband and I made a good decision of saying we're just going to do water for now. And when I really, really want to go with the sand, we can always just remove the water and put the sand. Okay, let me just show you everything in here. Bottom, side, rotating it, see? Cool. This little lip is gonna be helpful for later when we set it up. All right, that is the unboxing. What's in here? Oh, we got something in here, hold on. This is, I don't know what it is. Ah, hold on. What it is for? What is this for? Oh, all right. So this is for Velcro thingy. I think it goes on this. You see this one here? Okay, that's gonna go in there. Velcro, boom, boom, boom. All right, this video is getting long. I'm gonna cut this and then we're gonna do a video of setting up. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Fight Camp. I love you. Mwah. Thank you.